How to use TEMU coupon bundle. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate the process of utilizing the TEMU coupon bundles. If you're unfamiliar, a TEMU coupon bundle is essentially a compilation of the diverse discounts and deals provided by the TEMU. Its purpose is to furnish you with the numerous opportunities for savings in a single purchase. So how can you make use of the TEMU coupon bundle? First of all, you have to navigate to the TEMU app or the TEMU website, and upon reaching there, you should locate and click on the section labeled as View. This action will direct us to the corresponding page. If you haven't logged into your account yet, please do so or create one if needed. Subsequently, proceed to the coupons and the offers section. And although I do not currently post any coupons or offers, if TEMU were to provide us with some, they would be visible on the list. In the event that coupons are displayed on the screen, they will also become accompanied by the coupon code that can be applied during the checkout. Suppose you have the multiple coupons in the section, and the next step is to jot down all those coupon codes and save them for when you are prepared to make a purchase from TEMU. Now let's imagine I have a TEMU cart where I have added a few items, and upon scrolling down, you will encounter a segment that prompts you to apply for a coupon code. And here you can input all those coupon codes provided by the TEMU earlier. Simply click on the Apply Coupon Code option and proceed to paste each code one by one, applying them consecutively. By adhering to the instructions outlined in this video, you can effectively harness the TEMU coupon bundles to optimize your savings on the purchases. So this video has guided you on how to utilize the TEMU coupon bundle. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.